Hey guys, Tank here. I'm out here outside while my son is actually gonna play a baseball game. So now they're warming up. I decided while they're warming up, why not build something different and something new. Local hobby shop here in Orleans, which is pretty close to me, are doing a what's called a mini four-wheel drive race this Saturday. So I decided to build a car, little cars that they're going to be using. So it is on the track. It is not remote control, but it is powered. And this is they had two different model. This car, which I want to get the 10 scale version of, and this is the chassis I'm going to build. They do say here that snaps together, no glue required. So it is a small kit. I'll open the box and show you. So here's the chassis. And everything is put together, so I am going to have to cut things apart. But pretty much everything's in there. Rubber tires. Gotta love the rubber. Squish, squish, squish the tires. And then you have some of the electronic parts and the little motor on it. You can buy different motor with different speeds for them, but then you become in a different class. Instruction manuals in the bottom, and I do have little tools and things like that to build it. So time to start building. I will stop once in a while to show you guys and do a little video of the progress of this, but I'm doing that right now while my son is warming up to play the baseball game. Talk to you guys in a bit. I just want to say Tamaya really likes their stickers. Just on this little tiny car, they have 47 little stickers to put on this car. So that's the body for that. And you got 47 stickers to actually put on this. This is just crazy. There we go, body's all assembled. There was only 3 pieces, so it went pretty quick. But they do tell you to paint it black, the TS14 or the X1. I do have some X1 at home, so I might paint it with the airbrush, but I like better the finish of a spray can. So I might just unsnap it and just paint it, or I might just leave it white. I don't know yet. But the next step is the stickers, which I'll do later. But now it's time to assemble the frame. Parts are tiny on here. Anyways, I got the rear done. Now I got to put the front end in. Pretty easy. You just push everything in, put a little bit of grease, and you're good to go. We got them all done. Now to put the things for the battery. There we go. Both pinions are on both sides. No transmission. Everything is direct. And then you put these 2 black pieces on there for the motor mount, and it just snaps in. And you can see, you just don't hear it, but you see the snap. Let's put this baby in there. And these little conductors connect right on there. No soldering to do. There we go. Motor's installed. Now I'm about to install the diff. They did give me this grease, but let me tell you, there was almost nothing in it, and I barely got enough to actually do just a little dab of grease on here and on the output shaft. So I think I'll run out of grease, but it's okay. I got some at home, some Tamaya grease. I think I'm going to use that. But right now, I'm going to drop the diffs in there and put this is the diff for the shafts that goes in there. So, next step, almost done. Oh yeah, and the game is on. Once in a while, I'm watching them. There we go. She's all done except for the stickers, so I guess she's not done. Body clips on the rear. You just twist it and everything snaps on. So, should be a lot of fun. We'll see Saturday how it does. Well guys, thanks for watching, and go charge up some batteries, go in there and have some fun and break something, because if you're not breaking anything, you're not having any fun. Talk to you guys later. Cheers.